Speaker Hon.Okero in the dispute, of which he is my friend and my boss, of which I respect him too much. But prior to his impeachment, Honorable Chair, prior to his impeachment,
point of order, Chair.
Honorable Okero.
Chair, would I be right, my brother, therefore, when you say he's your boss, that you believe he's still in office?
Sorry?
Is that what you're saying?
What?
By you saying that he's your friend and he's your boss, legally you are actually saying...
Honorable Senator, once oppose, always oppose.
Thank you.
Nyabaro. Yes.
No, I want one thing. Were you a member of the County Assembly before? Now?
Yes, I was serving my third term.
Third term?
Yes.
Now, have you assumed to be the Speaker?
Yes.
Did you resign?
That matter is the motion that is in court.
No.
And then I will not
I'm asking a question.
here.
Just answer.
Yes.
Did you resign?
Not resign. Yeah, of course, yes.
You resigned from being an MCA?
Yes, I did a letter. And wherever I did with it.
I want you to say yes or no. You are still an MCA.
Until the IPC declares all the yeah. I did a letter.
Through the chair.
Okay, we'll interpret.
Through the chair.
Yes.
I'd like to remind Nyabaro that he's under oath. He's still under oath.
Yes.
And he's lying through his teeth.
Okay.
To this committee.
Under oath, and I think that will take you back. So on serious note.
I pray, Chair, that you repeat that question to him.
You are a member of Parliament, I mean the County Assembly of Nyamira. Say yes or no. You are a member.
As at now?
Yes.
Yes, because I'm a
that's
member.
it.
Because,
order.
you know, under Section County Government Act, Section 7B,
that will be done by our team.
a Speaker is a member, an ex officio.
No, you are an elected member of the Assembly. Elected member or nominated?
Elected.
Specifically, Karenya Ward.
Okay.
Under Chair,
Mr. Chair, I'm saying on behalf of the people of Nyamira, I
Honorable
say,
Chair,
Governor is not here. You cannot discuss.
The major problem we have on the chair, the major problem we have on the chair is the set of Congo Umogeni. It's the problem of Nyamira. On the chair, give me an opportunity to speak.
Honorable Chair, I withdraw and apologize, Honorable Chair.